Welcome back, Titan fans. Tonight I'm going to show you how you can update the interior look of your Titan. I've got some different types of light bulbs in here. Of course, we've got the stock incandescents, these two. These are the two types that are in the inside of your truck. And then I've got some I purchased off of eBay quite a while ago. They were pretty good. They have faded quite a bit over time, and some of them have had flickering issues, stopped working, and I'm going to be replacing with these new GTR LEDs. These two here. I'll show you how to do that and show you the comparison. So first off, we've got our incandescent bulb on the right. We have the eBay LEDs on the left. Both are quite dull. The LED on the left looks better. It casts a nice ambient light, but I had all the bulbs in the back stop working. I had the license plate bulbs stop working. The two in the front are still functioning, and I've also got them in the side marker lights here, and they're still working. I'll show you how to change those. So I found it best if you have a tiny little flat bladed screwdriver like this, and it's good to have a pair of needle nose pliers as well. You can just stick it in the corner gently, very gently. It's plastic. You can just very gently pull that down like that, and you've got your ball up in there, and you can pretty much get that with your finger. I'm just going to pry it out. If you have an LED up there, you can get it with the needle nose pliers. So right up in there. So this is the one I had in there. It looked just like the one that we were looking at up there on the left. Two of the LEDs were burnt out, so it was only half working. So I'm gonna throw one up there and give you a comparison. Okay, so I got it up there. It just went right up there nice and smoothly. What you didn't see was that on the back there's a nice little heat sink on the back of that LED light, and this is what it looks like in comparison. So it is much brighter, and I'll show you the back ones as well. So there you can see the heatsink on the back of it, and you can see the connectors on these. It's much larger and more solid than the wire prongs on these cheapy ones there. You can see I got the flickering on this side marker too. I tried putting in a newer bulb, one that I had sitting around that I hadn't used yet, and although it's not as dim and purple as the old one was, it's flickering like crazy. You can just grab these and pull them. Or you can use a screwdriver if you want to help. So that's what that was. I've got these two little bulbs that had Headlight Revolution through in their order when I bought the kit. I'm going to try those out. Just slide in. They've got a nice solid contact area as opposed to that thin little wire. I'm not exactly sure what bulbs these are, but we'll see how they're. Okay, one thing to note is some bulbs, some LEDs are polarity specific, so you have to put them in a certain way. If it doesn't work, turn around, put it in the other way. this looks like it's going to work nicely. So I'll put it in. I'm going to have to buy new bulbs for the tail, or the license plate lamps, I guess. There we go. That matches the interior bulbs. Pretty good. Go do the other one. I'm ready. So this is what the two look like in the back. The stock incandescent, the cheap LED light here. These in the back always had a flickering issue, and going out like this is hardly any light at all. This was better, but they go out all the time. See, there you go. That's what I'm talking about. So we'll put the GTR ones in there and show you what they look like. Okay, so how you get these out is there's a little slot. Find it at the edge. Pry it out gently. They'll come right out. And they can be a pain to get. These LEDs, you can grab them with your fingertips, but the incandescents, you might have to use your needle nose pliers. You want to pull, not squeeze, when you're pulling them out. You can put paper towel, rag, something small in your needle nose pliers to help you grip if you can't grab it that easily. But I'm just going to grab this and pull it out. And the GTR light, just shove right up in there. There. You can see how much different that is. So here we are. You're not getting a true comparison here because the camera is auto dimming it, but you can see back and forth. That's quite a bit of difference. Okay, so I got them all in. I got these bulbs from Headlight Revolution, and they sell them as a kit. So, 2 front, 2 back. Unfortunately, they didn't have the 2 door ones in the kit. But for their Father's Day special, they did throw in 2 bulbs, so I might try them in the doors and see if they fit. I was going to throw them in the license plate lamps. I still might do that. I'm not 100% sure what I'm going to do there yet, but I also went and ordered the reverse lights and cargo lamps for the tail lights from Headlight Revolution, and I'll install them. Check out their website, and thanks for watching. Oh crap, the child lock is on in the truck and I'm in the back seat. Oh well, I'm going.